Hello and welcome! Today we'll be making these spooky pumpkin face earrings. Grab your supplies and let's do it. Roll out a ball of orange clay into an oval shape. Use a bead or something round to make an indentation at the top and bottom of the pumpkin. Place a bead on one end of the pumpkin, and then use a tool to make a hole in the top of the pumpkin. This will be for the stem. Roll out a piece of brown clay until it is pointed at one end and flat at the other. Place this in the top of the pumpkin. Use whatever tools you have to carve out a face for the pumpkin. If you're enjoying this video or any of my videos, please hit that subscribe button. I do post videos twice a week on Tuesday and Thursday. Pre-poke the hole for your eye hook and add it in. Use a needle tool or a toothpick to make lines on the stem. Repeat all steps with the second pumpkin, and then bake your pieces. Use black paint and fill in all the lines on the face. Once your paint has dried, use a damp soapy cloth to wipe off any excess paint. Use brown paint and fill in the crevices down the sides of the pumpkin. Again, once the paint is dried, use a damp soapy cloth to wipe off any excess paint. Glue in your eye hooks and resin your pumpkins. To assemble my earrings, all I'm using is 2 jump rings and an earring hook. And these are them when they're done. I am posting 31 videos for the month of October, so please check back tomorrow for another video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!